Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zaria Shakira, aka Frizzeecurlz, and we're back with another YouTube video. I know you guys have missed me in my hair content. Like, I'm so sorry I neglected y'all, but like I had to do some other things. But we back. Okay, so today I'm just gonna show you guys how I lay and slay this wig today. I'm just playing. I'm not about to show you how I lay and slay, but I'm gonna just show y'all how I installed this wig. I've been fooling a lot of people lately, and I just thought that I would just hop on here real quick and just show y'all what I do, just for like a really cute quick hairstyle, like the minimum amount of work ever. Okay, literally the minimum. This takes like 5 minutes on a regular day. I know y'all really aren't used to seeing me wear wigs, but I feel like I'm, you know, entering a new chapter on my channel and in my life, and I kind of just want to try some wigs out. Like, I like to change up my hair anyway, so I feel like wigs is just another way to do that, and it's less work because I don't have to worry about, you know, my thick natural hair. Wigs are so much easier, so you know, it's just something that I kind of want to dip into and see how it goes. So here's my first wig video of the year. I do have a couple wig videos on my channel from when I like first started my YouTube channel, where I really didn't know what I was doing. Still don't really know what I'm doing with wigs, but I do have a couple wig videos in the earlier stages of my channel, so I will leave those down below if y'all just care to see them. I think that's all I have to say to y'all right now. But if y'all want to see this tutorial, then just keep on watching. Hey y'all, so before we get started, of course I have to inform you on the wig I'm wearing. So I'm going to be wearing the Bobbi Boss Lace Front Premium Synthetic Wig today. It is from their Yara family collection. I will leave the style down below in the description box, but the color that I'm wearing is the TT4/3427. My wig starts black and then it ombres to like this nice honey brown blondish color. This isn't a new wig. I've had this wig for years now, but I just like to keep my wig secure, so that's why I keep it all bundled up like it just came to me. So after I take all the packaging off, I did cut the lace. This is a lace wig like it says. It's not a full lace. It's like a, y'all, I'm not really into wigs like that. Like, I don't really know like all the wig terms, but basically it got a lace in the front and a little part that's lace as well, and the rest of it is just like a wig cap basically. So it has combs in the front. It has two combs in the front. They're small, and then it has a bigger comb in the middle of the back. So I would say I've kept this wig in pretty good condition so far. I mean, the only thing I usually do is just brush it. I actually haven't taken a flat iron through it yet. I probably will, like one of the next times I'm really wearing this wig, like for real. A lot of the times I've been wearing it just to take pictures of, like, you know, my makeup and stuff when the look is complete. So I haven't really worn this out as like a for real wig, but you know, when I do, I will straighten it or whatever. We're just gonna get started. So really the only thing that I need, or that I'm using, is this wig. Of course, you will need a wig cap. This one is kind of like my skin, but it's not, obviously it's not like my skin color. So if there is any chance that I will need to put some foundation or powder or whatever on it, then I can do that. But since I've been wearing this wig, I haven't done that. Like, it wasn't necessary for me to. If you're someone who's really into wigs, you're probably gonna be like, sis, color that wig cap and stop playing. But I just wear it for, you know, the aesthetics. I don't really wear it to be out, but whenever I do wear it to be out, I'm gonna make sure it looks good. So the last two things I'm gonna be using is some edge control and a edge brush. Like I say every video, y'all already know Style Factor is here. This is the Extra Strength and Moisture Rich Pomade. If you want to see like my video that I explain like the two different pomades from Style Factor, they have more pomades, but I really just explain like two of them. If y'all want to see that video, I will list it down below, so y'all can go check it out. You know, get y'all your little information that you need to know about this edge control, and you know, do what it do. So really all I do is just, my hair is thick first of all. So for my hair, as y'all can see, it's in like two little braids. Any other time they will look a lot better and they will be more like attached to my head, but I've been wearing this wig for like a good 2 weeks now consecutively. So yeah, my hair is a little rough, and it's okay because I'm actually washing my hair tomorrow and I will be dyeing my hair again. So we're gonna be a new bitch tomorrow, but for the sake of this video, I'm just showing y'all how I just throw this little wig on. This really shouldn't be a long video, but we're just going to gather the hair like we're doing a ponytail. And normally, let me just tell y'all, normally I would take the 2 braids, I would crisscross them and make like a halo braid so it can be flat in the back. But since it's late at night right now, it's like 1 o'clock in the morning, I'm just gonna show y'all like the bootleg way. So I'm just taking it like I'm putting my hair in a ponytail, which I am putting it in a ponytail. So I'm going to tie it around like 3 times and then loop it so it creates like a little bun. And we're not gonna really worry too much about that because like I said, this is just like for show. This isn't me really like for real putting on a wig, showing y'all how y'all supposed to do it. This is just how I've been basically catfishing y'all. Not catfishing, but like a lot of people thought I really cut my hair and thought this was my hair. So I'm just about to show y'all what it look like, okay? So now we just put the wig cap on. Yes, we're gonna do the edges, but I like to just get the wig cap on to make sure, you know, all the hairs is where they need to be before I swoop any edges. And I just pull the wig cap back like just behind my hairline. So now we're gonna take this good old pomade from Style Factor, and I'm not gonna do too much, but I'm just gonna swoop my hair. I'm just gonna do a few swoops. I forgot to tell y'all that this wig is a middle part wig. So for my baby hairs, I like to kind of start where it's like just on the side of the part and swoop it over to whatever side I feel is comfortable for me, and then just swoop it back. So the baby hairs really don't have to be like in super fine order because you're really only going to see like 2 or 3 peeking maybe. So just swoop them just in case the wind blow. But if you're just doing it for, you know, aesthetics or to take pictures or whatever, you don't really need to swoop all of your edges. So I'm not going to worry about the sides because it's going to be covered anyway. And then I just take the end once I swoop it and just tuck it underneath the wig cap. And if I was going out, I would make sure they looked a lot better, but you know, this is just for the video. So now I'm about to put the wig on, and I did forget to mention that the wig does have like little latches that you can hook. So I'm only gonna latch the hook on the first loop for each side because this fits kind of good to my head. I don't really know the size of this wig cap, but you know, if my hair was flat, then it would definitely be like a perfect fit. And then we're just gonna take it, flip it over. I make sure like the back where the big hook, where the big comb is, like hooks underneath this ponytail so it can hold while I'm pulling it to the front. So I just take it and place it basically where it's gonna sit, and then I just fix it and sit it where it needs to be. So this is how it basically sits on my head because my hair isn't braided all the way down, but it does work for what it needs to. So I just try to get the little side tabs as close as possible. I might try to glue this down one day if I'm going to be wearing it for a long time, but for the most part, I just try to get it as straight as possible, like line it up with my nose. I don't wear wigs often, so I'm not the best at doing that, but I try my best. And this is basically what it looks like. So now I'm just brushing it just to get all the knots and tangles. It's really not knots in here. This wig actually doesn't tangle up a lot. It just kind of gets a little out of order. So you just gotta comb it to make it look straight like this. Like I said, I hadn't run a flat iron or anything through it. So this is basically what it's looked like since I've had it straight out the box, which I do like. Sometimes, you know, people aren't as advanced and they need something that's really, you know, quick, easy to put on. So I like this wig for that purpose. And as y'all can see, like if you just quickly look at the video, it looked like this my hair, okay? Basically it came on my scalp. So I try not to pull the part too far. And sometimes I would go ahead and take some concealer. You know, I know the little concealer trick at least. I usually take concealer and just make sure it's, you know, looking right. But for the most part, this is how it always looks. Now I do have a bulge in the back because of that little part that I did not have twisted around my head. but as you can see, with a big ass bulge in my head, the front at least still looks good. So like I said, I really only wear this wig when I'm doing pictures for my videos. I really only wear this wig when I'm taking pictures for looks that I've done, or if I want to film a quick video. So, you know, just throw it on. It's really quick, easy to do. Like, this literally takes 5 minutes to do, and I like this wig. I have another one. It's actually in red. So I'm not really like into wigs right now, like, you know, laying them and slaying them and doing all that. But I do plan to like dip into that in this next chapter of my channel. I've done a lot of natural hair videos, so you know, it gets a little tiring and it does get a little old. Like, you know, it just feels like the same thing to me. And one thing about me, I love changing up my hair. So whether it is doing a natural hairstyle, a protective style, a wig, whatever it is, like even color, like y'all know I'm on a color journey, so I like to change up my hair anyway. I just feel like it's time to dip into something else on my channel, and I think I will have a lot of fun trying out like different wigs and trying to lay them and actually becoming good at it. So yeah, this is basically how I do my hair today. It's, to me, it does look a little boxy when I do put it on, but the average person won't know. A lot of people, like I said on my Instagram, have been fooled and bamboozled by me because they thought this was my hair and that I actually cut it and colored it and whatever. So, you know, I think this is a pretty good wig, and I at least do good at putting it on, because if people think it's my hair, then clearly I'm doing something right. So that's really all I do for this hairstyle. Like I said, this bulge in the back usually isn't here. I would halo braid it to make it all flat, and then it'll be cool. But also, I haven't really worn this wig out, so you know, this is just what it do. And it's a cute little cut. I kind of want to fix it up a little bit, put it on the mannequin head and kind of like just shave it, because I don't know, sometimes it does look a little uneven, but at the same time it could be because if I'm not putting it on, you know, securely, or if it has a little bulge in the back, it will like alter the layers or whatever. So I really think that's what it is. But y'all can follow me on Instagram and go look at the pictures that have this wig in it, so y'all can see how I fooled and bamboozled all of you guys. I'm just playing, but like, you know, it does look pretty realistic, and I like this wig. So this is how I do it today. This is really all I wanted to show you guys. I know I haven't posted a lot of hair videos lately, so I at least want to get something out to you. And I'm trying to work on my consistencies. I'm just working on a lot of new videos right now, a lot of new ideas that I have. I'm excited for that. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. You know, leave a nice little comment. Tell me how you like this wig. Have you purchased this wig? Is this a wig you want to purchase? You know what I'm saying? Like, let me know something. If there is something I forgot to mention, I will leave any information down below in the description box. But if you do have any further questions, do not hesitate to comment down below. Y'all know I talk to y'all anyway, but if you are new, hello and welcome. Go ahead and subscribe. I talk to y'all, so talk to me too. But yeah, y'all, this wig is cute or whatever. Like, it grew out my scalp and nobody can tell me otherwise. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.